Act 4, Scene 7 of Hamlet, opens with a conversation between Claudius and Laertes, in which Claudius works to convince Laertes of his innocence in the death of Laertes' father, Polonius. Laertes, persuaded of Claudius's innocence in his father's death, questions why Claudius has not taken action against Polonius's killer, Hamlet. Claudius explains that two main factors have prevented him from doing so. Firstly, Gertrude's deep love for her son Hamlet would make punishing him difficult. And secondly, Hamlet enjoys a widespread popularity among the Danish people that protects him from direct action. During their discussion, a messenger arrives with letters from Hamlet, one addressed to Claudius and another to Queen Gertrude. Claudius decides to read the letters aloud to Laertes. In the letters, Hamlet announces his unexpected return to Denmark, claiming he is without money or belongings, and requests an audience with Claudius the following day. Laertes, fueled by a thirst for revenge for the death of his father and his sister Ophelia's descent into madness, expresses his readiness to confront Hamlet. Capitalizing on Laertes' eagerness for vengeance, Claudius proposes a cunning plan to kill Hamlet without arousing suspicion. He points out that Laertes has gained a reputation in Denmark for his exceptional fencing skills, suggesting that they should arrange a fencing match between Laertes and Hamlet. Claudius proposes that Laertes could use a sharpened, unblunted rapier to make Hamlet's death seem like an accident during the bout. Laertes agrees to the plan and further suggests enhancing the scheme by poisoning the tip of his rapier, ensuring that even a mere scratch would be fatal to Hamlet. Claudius, not satisfied with just one method of ensuring Hamlet's death, introduces a backup plan involving a poisoned chalice from which Hamlet would drink during the duel, sealing his fate either way. The scene takes a tragic turn as Gertrude enters and informs them of Ophelia's death. She describes how Ophelia fell into a brook and drowned, weighed down by her heavy clothing, and how her last moments were spent singing, oblivious to her impending death. This news devastates Laertes even further, who mourns the loss of his sister. Despite his grief, Laertes states that once he has finished mourning, he will be ready to proceed with the revenge plan against Hamlet. This scene deepens the play's themes of revenge, deceit, and the complexities of the human psyche, while setting the stage for the tragic events that follow. Claudius's manipulation of Laertes and their plot to kill Hamlet highlights the corruption and moral decay within the Danish court, further escalating the tension and conflict that drive the climax of the play. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button and tell me what you would like to see in our next Bookly video in the comments section below. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.